Hey guys, I want to show you my new obliterator blender from Walmart.com.
Not only does this thing make great smoothies, but it's perfect for cleanup. Watch this.
Let's review this CHEFMAN blender and see if it would be a good gift for
These are just a few of the videos created by influencers to introduce CHEFMAN's obliterator blenders. CHEFMAN is a high-quality home appliance brand that has redefined the cooking experience with its amazing kitchen products. From air fryers to electric kettles, CHEFMAN has made it easier for everyone to cook tasty dishes and drinks. CHEFMAN aimed to showcase its ultimate kitchen tool, the Obliterator Blender, a powerful, sleek, and quiet blender designed to crush ice easily, smartly, and elevate any recipe.
That don't usually happen. But that's cool.
The challenge was effectively reaching and engaging a broad audience across various niches, including health, fitness, lifestyle, food, cooking, and mom communities. The goal was to generate buzz and drive sales through engaging short-form videos on mainstream platforms such as TikTok and YouTube. But how did CHEFMAN find influencers for its campaign? CHEFMAN created a free campaign on 100% free, end-to-end influencer marketing platform called Ainfluencer to access over 1 million influencers on Instagram and TikTok. In 7 days, the brand received over 1,175 offers from micro, macro, and mega influencers eager to collaborate. Finally, CHEFMAN closed 49 successful collaboration deals to promote its blenders. The unboxing and demo videos that the influencers shared on their TikTok and Instagram reached millions of users, brought hundreds of website visits on Walmart product page, gained CHEFMAN Obliterator, many 5-star reviews, increased product awareness, and helped make a huge sale. Grow your brand with top influencers. Start today.